Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Today we're working on this super rare 1975 C30. We're going to start the process of tearing it down, completely rebuilding the whole truck. So let's just dive right in. For those new to the channel, this is my 1975 C30. Crew cab, 3+3 factory with bucket seats, console, and attack. It's had this 6V53 Detroit in it since 1976. Truck was bought new, big block ripped out, and this diesel engine put in. But today, we're going to get the front cap off because we're going to do something a little different with this truck. A lot of people may not agree with it, but it's the route I'm going to take. We've been working on the old Detroit a little bit, and starter ain't turning it over. Believes he's locked up. We can probably pull it out and rebuild it, but we're going to go a different route. Why? Because we have the parts to do so, and we can. Like I said, the plan today is just get the front cap off, all that good stuff. Get it to where we can get the cab off. We're going to take this whole truck off the frame. We got another crew cab, square body, that's pretty rusted out. We're going to put this truck on that frame with a big block, an automatic transmission. So, let's get to work and get this thing tore apart, y'all. So let's get this fender right here off. And I'm sure the boat's going to be a little still. Oh yeah, good and still. See if we can go back the other way just a hair. Oh yeah, here we go, maybe. I figured the old truck deserves to be rebuilt right. And y'all deserve it as my faithful viewers. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you've been around a while, give me a big thumbs up. Either way, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment. I'm working with metric sockets. For those that's been around for a while know my place got broke into, tools got stolen, so I had to go buy a bunch more. So today we're working with Icon and Snap-on. Get off of there. Come on you. Son of a mother. Nope. Not gonna do it. Alright, y'all, been working on the fender here. Now we gotta get these breather boxes out. Got these bolts out. Working on these way down here, it's hard to get to. Well, might help if I get that elbow out of the way. Oh, look at there. Nothing in it. So, I'm gonna get these right here off real quick. And we'll see if we can get the rest of this fender off. Oh, we got the little mini square over here, using it for a tool table. Got the Icon and Snap-on set up on it. Little S15 GMC Jimmy. Yes, it has a Chevrolet grill. Ignore that. You didn't see it. It's not there. It's not there. Okay? Let me get back to work, y'all. Oh, Lord. Why is it always going to be hard to get to? One hand under the fender, one hand over. And it's hard. And my finger's getting hung. Swing tire and ratchet. That's fun. Well, you need another guy. But I'm a one-man team. So let's just keep on keeping on. Yep, something like that. Okay, y'all. It seemed like, what, 14 and a half days to get that one bolt out. One hand under the fender, one hand over top, in between the tire and the fender, with yay much room. We got the filter box loose. One of them. Now we just got to get it out. Oh, there we go. Come here, you little heavy thing. You. Oh, yeah. One filter box out. I done went ahead and got the headlight trim, the bezel out here. And the turn signal lens. Now look how pretty this truck used to be. She used to be two-tone black and red with the chrome down the middle. Man, she was beautiful, I'm sure. Will be again. Because we're going to fully redo this truck. We're going to put old Cat Daddy twist on it though. So, let's get all these bolts out right here. Yep, all them. And then some up front, we have one fender off. One. What am I doing with my life? Y'all want to see something fun? This one bolt right here. Here's a son of a gun. It's up in there and that way. You got to go open in, flip it, open in, flip it, boxed in, flip it, open in, boxed in, all over again. I've done that now about 300 times. I think I'm about halfway out. I don't know. We'll see. I don't remember where I was now. Nope. Right there. Oh. I got the open end on it that time. Oh, we're getting close. I think it's getting looser. It's been fighting me for the past 30 minutes. But I ain't been filming it. Who wants to watch me take one boat out in 30 minutes? It'd be a long video. Just one little boat. Yep, get on there. Oh. Somebody's off in the distance shooting. Makes me want to go target practice. If we get this truck, but it's a labor of love, guys, when you build no trucks. It really is. Why I chose square bodies, I don't know. I don't know. Just gonna like them. Yep. Getting there. I think your ladder's just stripping. Oh, it's getting hard again. It's kind of like life. It gets easy a little bit, and boom, out of nowhere it gets hard again. Trying to keep my knees from getting wet. I don't mind being on my knees, but I won't pay for it. Well, Bill Clinton's intern said anyway. I don't know. Oh, no, yep. Yeah, it's a booger. Oh, come on, get on there. Nope. Oh, I gotta go back to box then. See, guys, it's tough. Let's see, now I gotta go back this way. Anyway, see y'all in a minute. Get done with all this boring stuff and get this fender off. Thought that one bolt up front was hard to get out, which I still haven't got out, by the way, y'all. This one's a booger. Gotta use a wrench on a ratchet as a cheater. Oh, yeah. Ain't good and tight. But she's coming, I hope. Uh-oh, that didn't sound good. That don't sound good. That's usually when they strip. Come on, keep coming. Got rust falling everywhere. But, you know, that's just typical. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on, baby. Oh. Alright, guys, I'm going to finish this up. Or try to. And, yeah. See y'all in a second. Maybe. I don't know. easy on that. Guess what, y'all? I got it. It ain't pretty, but I got it. Now I gotta finish that one. We'll get a fender off. Yep. In case y'all wondering how many bolts is in one 1975 square body Chevrolet fender. Minus, well actually, still got this one and one more in the fender, and there's one that was missing. That's a lot of bolts. Sure don't build them like they used to. Get this other bolt out and get your fender off. Alright, y'all. We should be ready to get this fender off. I hope anyway. Let's see here if we are. I'm play set, y'all, where you don't fall over. I'm not using my GoPro today. I'm using my new phone. See how well it records. I know the quality of the picture seems to be a little better than my GoPro. Let's see here. Oh, looky there. Come right off. Oh, yeah. Ta-da! One, two. $22 bolts to hold a fender on. Chevy, like a rock. Now we got the fender off, y'all. That's old Detroit. A lot of motor. Lots and lots of motor right there. We're not scrapping it. Like I said, I got another project in mind for this motor. But we're going to put this truck back original. Big block, won't be numbers matching, none of that. But who cares? We're going to build it to drive. Do we paint it back black and red? With all the chrome down the middle, which we do have. We even have the die cast pieces that goes here and on the back fender. Or do we go some kind of crazy color? I don't know. Y'all tell me. I sure wished I could have got that Detroit going in here. But if we have to, once we get all this off the frame, if we have to, we rebuild that motor. And I got plans for it on this frame with another square body cab that I got, regular cab. Let's go ahead and tell y'all what I want to do with it. I want to build a ramp truck. Need something to haul stuff on. That's my car hauler. So, y'all give me a big thumbs up, or the video a big thumbs up, all that good stuff. I'm not going to bore y'all today with missing a socket. Oh, it's stuck in that bolt, that ratchet. With me taking another fender off, but I'm going to go ahead and take it off. And that's going to be it for this video, y'all. Yep, pretty much it. See y'all next time, y'all. Gonna be working on it again tomorrow. I'll make another video tomorrow, but it won't be on the fender. Gonna try to get the cab loose and everything tomorrow, and get somebody up here to pick it up with a tractor, get it off of there. Then we're going to work on the big block truck, getting everything stripped off it, get the frame painted, all that good stuff. Motor pulled, all new gaskets painted, because the motor runs great. Anyway, y'all think about it. Leave a comment, y'all. Thanks for watching. Need a beer. Too bad it's Sunday. I like her. See y'all later, guys.